Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Renee Hokenettle with Olathe Public Schools. If you've been here before, welcome back. If not, I'm so glad you're here. We have a great video today. This is going to be a short video on using the comment feature in Microsoft Word for you to provide feedback to students. And so I'm going to show you how students can share their document with the teacher, and then how students can do all their work using a Word document, including taking notes, and teachers can provide feedback that way. As always, we provide the login information. So with Microsoft, remember it's stu.olatheschools.org, and you can access it either through your desktop. So you click on the Office 365, or you go online and you type in office.com and you can access it. So I'm going to go to my Office home. This is what you'll see. And students, you would just open a Word document and start creating it, and then you would share it with your teacher. So I'm going to pull up one that I've done. So here's an annotated bibliography, and I'm the student, and I want to share this with the teacher. So after you pull up the document, on the top right, it's going to have share. And using that, it says people in Olathe schools can view it, but you want to change that to allow editing. And you can put specific people, such as your teacher, or you can leave it this way. And that way, anybody with the link can edit, and you can copy the link and send it to the teacher, or they will get a notification it's been shared. So you don't even need to do that. But you do have to put in their information in order to do that. Okay. But I'm not going to send myself my own document. All right, so that's how you do it, students. Now, teachers, what you're going to want to do is, let's go into here again, and there's a shared feature on the left. So I'm already in it, and this is a worksheet that I give my students. I do all my worksheets and work online. And you can see that this student started it, but it doesn't look like they finished it. So when you want to make a comment, teachers, you are just going to highlight what you want to comment, and on the top right is comment. And then you just put in, I already put one in, missing work, please resubmit. Or I can add a new comment if I want to. And that's how easy it is to put comments in for your students to see. It's the same for the online version of Word or the desktop version of Word. So if you want to get to the desktop version, you just type in Word, and there you go. It's the same thing. All right. So here is some easy classroom applications for you to use it. Have your students take all their notes or do their worksheets online using Word. You can drop it in an LMS system like Teams in order to have the students do the work. Students, you can embed hyperlinks of your resources. If you're doing vocab words, do it in Word and put the links of where you found your definitions. Students can also record a summary of their research and attach it to a paper they've written, or as a summative assessment, teachers at the end of the day have them record a little video of what they learned, how they met the objective, and attach it to a Word document for you. In redesign, students can use the dictation tool, and they can actually talk their paper to text, which is exciting. And then you can share the link with everybody in your classroom and have them read each other's papers if you choose. I hope you found this very helpful, and I hope you will join me again in another video. I also have videos out there on how to do comments in Google and also Google Slides, and here's a typewritten version of how to add it. And please contact us at Help Desk if you have any questions. We look forward to hearing you. Thank you so much.